A lot of people are saying a lot of different things about the crypto markets right now. Have we already topped and are we heading down, or is this just the beginning of the crypto bull run? Today, we're going to explore and analyze all about this to really get the gist of where the markets are going. None of this is financial advice, but let's dive into the video. So here we are on Coin Market Cap, and as we can see, crypto is currently around a $3.8 trillion in combined market cap. Fear and greed is currently around a 63, which I consider to be kind of mid. It's not something where it's too high and we can top, or it's not something where it's too low and it's more like a bear market. And we can see Bitcoin, the mothership here, trading around 118k, in which, yes, the all-time high is around 121k. So if we were to break that, that would be extremely bullish for the rest of the market here. As of today, on Crypto Bubbles, we can see most of the market is red, with things like CFX and Bonk actually going down pretty big percentages. But the promising projects are actually doing pretty well here, with Ton up, Form up, and Hex. Now, before we carry on, I do want to talk to you guys about the Whale token, because this could be a massive opportunity. Let's break it down. The Whale token is the heart of Whale.io, a leading iGaming platform that's not just another crypto. Whale is an epic entertainment hub with over 20 million players and 4,000 of the most popular games. And now they're adding their native token to the site. The best thing about Whale token is it's backed by a real profitable business. In fact, I read from the media that their token launch will only be for the community. That means no VCs or investors that can ruin the party for everyone. This creates a truly level playing field for crypto enthusiasts and the Whale community. They have talked about their token utility, and one of the key points is their buyback program. Whale plans to reinvest part of the profits to the buyback and burn system that they've created for their tokens, which will definitely boost the token value by decreasing the supply. This is naturally just a win-win for the holders and Whale, of course. But overall, Whale is all about rewarding you, the players, the Whale fan army, and crypto fans alike. If you want in, then stick around for our next few videos to learn how to use and how to earn Whale today. Join the Whale community at whale.io and let's make waves together. Let's get back to the video. Okay, so if we head over to TradingView here, we can actually see that, yes, it has been going sideways for quite some time now, actually for over half of July. So pretty decent amount to go sideways, but it could actually easily pop back up here. And when it does, this could be a great sign for the rest of the market. Because if Bitcoin does break that all-time high around 123k, the rest of the market will follow. And yes, because of the recent wave we had with Bitcoin here, we could probably expect a similar wave towards the upside. So the targets here, if we were to break that all-time high right now, is actually all the way up at $140,000 for Bitcoin. And that will reflect on all of the altcoins doing between 10 and 30% as well. Now that is the upside, but what about the downside here? Well, as you can see, we are just on the edge of our average true range band. And if we do lose this or close another few daily candles underneath it, it's quite likely that we do head back into this range here. So if we can look at this, we can see the bottom of the range is 80k, the top of the range is 108k, and if we are clearly out of the range, then it's usually a great sign for continuation of the bull market. So what we're going to be looking at doing here is monitoring this over the next few days. If we do break the all-time high, it's an incredibly bullish sign, but if we do actually break down from this point, and I would say break the low of about 116k, I would expect us to probably head down to the $100,000 region, around 105k over the coming weeks. Now, it's also important to note that we do have September coming up soon as well, and Bitcoin, as well as the rest of the markets, is famous for dumping around that month. So we do want to be cautious and actually not get too deep into our positions before that time. But overall, I would say the markets are neutral and sideways. And yes, it can change very, very easily. But as of right now, we are just expecting either a massive pump and a break of the all-time high, or we actually get a bit of a critical dump here and go sideways for a few more months. But I will be doing a Q4 proposal on my predictions here, so stick around for that in a future video. But that is going to be it from me. I will see you in the next one.